Christian Douglas is a landscape designer with a regular gardening column in Marine Living. He believes that edible landscapes can be created in any location, whether suburban or metropolitan, countryside or hillside or a forest, in any size, upper deck or large front yard or a balcony, and in any style, be it terraced or vertical or French formal. And that's the biggest lesson and inspiration that I got from this book, that size does not matter, place and kind of lodging does not matter. He names certain herbs and berries, veggies and fruit trees to plant, and you will look at your front yard or pool area or grassy land, playground or basketball area or porch or garage, and think of all the herbs and veggies and fruit trees that you can assort and arrange over there. I think that is the biggest takeaway from this book, which is full of beautiful pictures that give you inspiring ideas. Assalamu alaikum, this is Noor Al-Huda, and you are listening to my review of The Food Forward Garden, a complete guide to designing and growing edible landscapes, written by Christian Douglas and published by Artisan in October 2024. The hardcover is 256 pages long. This is one of those good books that I've read this summer, and I keep going back to it to get more ideas. In this book, Douglas transforms 8 outdoor spaces, mostly front yards, into culinary gardens while maintaining their ornamental beauty. These include front yard of a suburban house of a family of 4, with detailed pictures from pages 21 to 29, a wine country cottage's backyard, featured in pages 33 to 43, an upper deck of a townhouse on pages 48 to 57, Chef Tyler Florence's steep terraced backyard, which is huge by the way, from pages 60 to 69, open garden rooms of a large-sized property, each having its own characteristics and purpose, featured on pages 74 to 85. L-shaped plot surrounding a modern raised ranch on a busy street on pages 88 to 95. Front yard of a shingled house from pages 99 to 109. And the 700 square foot of his own 0.4 hectare hilltop land that he converted into a culinary school. Everything is beautiful and inspiring. That is all that I can say. And even though he has given the landscape projects that he has worked on, and frankly must have cost a fortune for each of the people who hired him for those landscapes, the way that he has designed each and every space, whether it's a raised bed or it's a particular corner or particular yard, you just have to remember that all that he has done is mix and match different herbs and veggies, different vines and climbers and fruit trees, certain bushes here and there, and that's about it. So whether a place can hold 1 tree or 20, that's besides the point. The inspiring thing is he's making the case that eatable plants can be brought to the foreground and your front yard in the outdoor living area. Now he transforms these outdoor spaces by strategically placing vegetables, fruits, shrubs and trees, herbs and edible flowers around heavy traffic areas such as entrances, walkways, spas and pools, grill barbecues and outdoor dining and lounge seating areas. He writes on page 15, quote, "The sunniest areas, commonly reserved for dining terraces, outdoor kitchens and pools, are also prime territory for growing food. Get creative with how you integrate the two. Integrate seating into your main food growing areas to encourage frequent and lengthy stays. Give yourself the opportunity to slow down, relax, and breathe deeply among the birds, butterflies, and bees." Unquote. So instead of having a cosmetic, artificially beautiful garden or outdoor living area, his plan is to bring food and eatables to the outdoor seating and playing areas. And there's a designing plan that he has in mind that fits into all kinds of places, large and small, that a person may have to work on.